Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
So you go on the internet. But just make sure we tell us, you know, some people, watch people go on camera and so on. Not that true, but Mr. I'm back to that.
No, girl.
I'm back to that.
Are they like fit here like this?
Oh yeah, okay.
Right. Like with.
Oh, like we put in a wig.
Yeah,
oh.
like even when you braid the hair so.
I don't want to braid. So why this one? I 6S, something says 6S.
Is the time for that to go.
Yeah, we do this. With the day I tag, I say, I'm just going to go to room on this and then go in the fear and see.
Of course.
I'm not. I think some.
Come, we're gonna take a shot. So you take your one and me take mine?
Okay.
What?
Yeah, I was on the body. Jesus.
Think I feel one.
I want to be going because when they cut off it,
Go and grow from them, make them thick so I cut them then look nice.
I don't say because
that's why I grow.
I want to bushy, but we don't have much.
Is that record?
Yeah. Yes, I'm saying you know.
Me a good girl, you know. No, me a chat so.
Okay, yeah.
Wait. One.
Me too, I really go back to you. So I'm big back to you.
It not reach 1 year yet since me have this. No.
January
I come, I go make 1 year since me have this.
Are you birthday, man?
Yeah, I'm birthday.
I think you're birthday again. I think me was liquor so long. Go on, share that.
Girl, me not drink so much. I'm burn out my belly.
I don't know for that.
I'm burn out my belly.
What I call it? Bombard for this 40%. And this at 35. That's crazy. Okay.
Yeah.
What we change?
We're hungry.
She young. I'm not ready for
We're hungry.
Take it to the head.
Oh God, it's strong. You're full.
Oh my God.
It's strong. 1, 2, 3.
We can't drink. I would tell me if you go drink, Jesus. It's such a wicked. It's a wicked girl. What water? I don't know how to drink this in here. I can't drink this in here.
What cheers here?
Oh, you didn't chase your water?
No.
You did again? I don't know what the almond do. I'm asking.
I'm drinking.
Alright, come and chase it. Okay. I don't know if you know, look at that juice in it. I don't know why me out of the videos and not chase. See you drink like me a big drink.
There's something so hungry. We just have a share myself now.
Good on the night, goodie.
Why is it tight? Has somebody pulled my juice?
Yeah, pull.
Come on, so why is it so tight?
Is that somebody pull my juice?
Okay. That's it.
Hello, pour yours.
Come let me start spinning already, good girl. Let me start spinning already. I feel nice.
You might turkey and cake also. There, we're already.
Cheers, we are cheers. And she drink up already.
Me not taste the liquor in it. You think what orange juice?
Me never taste that still.
Taste it. I don't want to anything, but you can't taste this.
I'm like, yeah, we are the thing I'm gonna be.
Are you just saying not tasting me?
But why me take that one?
No, because you're a big drinker.
I taste me.
You don't like brown liquor. I mean, so what is it with that? That's how compare.
Compare bitter, girl.
Never had that.
You never taste it?
No.
This sweet. Watermelon?
Yeah, watermelon.
Shit, let me go this.
This is one of my favorite drinks, favorite vodka. Yeah, pineapple coconut. Yeah.
Drink and smoke, that is not my thing.
Yeah,
me get high fast. Me get tipsy fast.
Me get tipsy fast. Yo. You ever drink Long Island? No? Long Island iced tea. Or Blue Long Island.
No, I never
Just
drink
in there. F me up.
I never
I'm going to the club. Oh my God.
Maybe I want to use a TikTok.
Oh.
You?
I don't think that. Yeah, I don't think that, man.
Yeah, go learn today.
So you're going to learn to them. I don't know if you that. Big dancer, you know?
I'm not dancer. We are going to do
Order.
Alright,
Look what they do. Then I see. What is that? What did I eat earlier? Burger and fries. This is I probably need dance. I'm sure no matter. She's a big dancer.
I'm not a dancer.
Big comedian. You don't know her? I don't know her right now. You don't know her.
You don't know me.
I will say her name, but I don't know her.
You don't know her name.
Morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. So please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. But anyways, today is Saturday. Yeah, so it's raining outside, but I have to, just came out the shower fresh. Actually, I was supposed to go to the gym, but I have things to do in a little bit of time. So gym I will wait until tomorrow. I was just doing a little workout, like exercise. At least I did something, right? So I'm gonna make some breakfast. I want some toast with eggs and tea. It's either gonna be tea or smoothie, but yeah, I'm gonna go out there now and make some breakfast. It's about to be 12 o'clock. I have to go downtown to exchange something, and then I have plans later. So yeah, so I'm gonna bring you all with me. Let's go in the kitchen. Oh, this is my shirt. It's me and my papa shirt. I don't remember what year I did this shirt, but you know, it's my baby for life. Yeah. Let's go in the kitchen. Me and my roommate was having fun last night. I'm not tired. I am well rested after that little, you know, that little fun we had. So how are you feeling from last night? We had fun last night.
Surprise, you're weak.
Well, you get up before me.
Yeah, calm. Everybody are calm in this morning.
So you get up early?
Yeah.
Like, oh, early.
Okay, then calm.
We go to like 1 o'clock?
7 or 6 o'clock then calm.
Or we go sleep like 1 o'clock, right?
Yeah, we go sleep like 1 something. Make like 1 something go sleep. Jabari gonna sleep, bro.
Me sleep good though.
I
feel
was
tired.
3 o'clock Jabari gonna go sleep.
3 o'clock?
Yeah, kind of pan. Ma. That's some wake up.
Jesus. Listen. I sleep good. Anytime I drink liquor, I sleep good.
Okay,
when I feel tired, I'm nothing.
I said not work tomorrow. None of this tomorrow.
No, I drink liquor, me get up and sleep and feel rested and something like. Yeah. Do you feel you're tired?
No, I'm not tired.
Oh.
I'm just like when I sleep longer.
Oh. I make some tea. This is what I drink this morning, some saucy tea. Look at there. Oh, me a rice night. Oh.
Excuse me, I'm gonna get my fancy dinner. Thank you.
Your dinner, your breakfast.
Yeah, mom's dinner.
Now I gotta make flitters this morning.
Go through this now, I'm basic on me. I make me nothing. I'm hungry.
I'm not make she take me. I'm not make none. Come and I make toast and avocado. That me I make.
Wait, then do make it
Nah, do it. We not do it though. And then you tell her about banana. You put the banana in there? I make 3 egg cups. Are you doing so meal? What make it flat?
Me eat that, but I'm not
I want to taste me. Say not to taste eggs.
Huh?
Say not to taste eggs maybe.
I want to eat the egg. No, I'm getting it.
So then come. I didn't have no string pan. Boil it. Don't use it. Only throw the bottom with.
Like, no, I don't know about me. I say, like, you know, that's not the.
Oh, yeah.
It's somewhere where I put it off.
So you know what I'm saying? No, use it.
Because they come up, they start to come out like,
See there?
Me, which one?
You are my superstar, yeah. Autographs, I wish you could. I'll be your groovy baby. Oh, you are my superstar, yeah. You come on, baby. All that change, you are super.
So it's hours later, and Eddie on a date. 14th Street and 6th Avenue.
We need immediate backup. Send everything you got.
See that thing about you that caught my eye. It's the same thing that makes you me change my mind. It's kinda hard to explain you, but boy, I'll try. You need to sit down, this may take a while. See this boy, he so that looks just like you. Yes, you even smiles just the way you do. So innocent, he see, but I was fooled. I'm reminded when I'm getting you. You remind me of a boy that I once knew. See his face whenever I look at you. Wanna believe all of the things he put me through. This is why I just can't get with you. Thought that he everyone but me. This is why we can never be. 'Cause you remind me of a boy that I once knew. I see his face whenever I look at you. Wanna believe all the things we put me through.
It's good. But I feel like water.
To separate the two. 'Cause you remind me of a boy that I once knew.
Where I just came from.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Still not understanding this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever.
Look how I saw just now. I didn't even know Smooth got a book. He got some crazy names in here. Look, the Smoothie. OG Breakfast. The shrimp, the last meal shrimp Alfredo. That was quick. Spaghetti de la Hood. I just got home. I'm so tired. But he bought me a book from Barnes and Nobles. I'm like, I haven't read a book in so long. I'm gonna read it and see what it's about. Hopefully it's good. It's like 11:30 now. No, it's like 11:40. I got in like 11:30. I'm tired. But it was cute. It was fun. Yeah, that was like a first date that went good because nobody never bought me anything else after a day before. And it was a book. So.
You thought I was for you? Months, nigga, eat a hit for lunch. Bitch on my back like that, what I want like. You thought I was for you? Months, nigga, eat a hit for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Bitch, they balance the beam. Know they be I be on the scene. I said I can't fit the jeans. My switch was down with the scene. I got my body, I'm keeping it clean. Fuckin' that's doing the beam. So you know me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass bitch, me want what I mean. Got a bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that this bitch is my mates. He wants sex, he dreaming. I'm f***ing niggas be sleeping. I'm on the next, there's not breathing.
I'm tired.
Me, yeah,
zooming up. It's a Dollar Tree. If y'all know these masks, like $4 in the or $5 in the beauty supply store. I used to see this in Five Below for like $4 something. I saw this one. This one is new. That one smells good, and the watermelon smells good too. But I don't think I ever saw that one before. Sweet tea and lemon. I want to try it. Okay, I want my salad. And I put my seasoning on there. A nice salad. I'm being finished tomorrow too, because now I have no food outside. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put some pear in it. This is for my salad, and I put some of this on there. I got from Walmart. My salad. Yeah, some jerk seasoning on the chicken, and it tastes good. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this and then go bed.
Many hours later.
Groceries. Banana. Oats. I bought 2 bags. Put on here. And then the rest is cucumber. Pick up all of them that was there. There are 5 packs. $1 each. I bought chicken. I'm about to cook. Cook. Pain up. Your body pain up. I am not going to the gym today. I'm going to the gym tomorrow. Listen, I have just a little bit of rice left. After I cook this, I'm not eating no more rice for a while. Listen. Yeah, after I cook this, I'm gonna cut out the rice for a while. My belly will be flat. And in order for my belly to be flat, I need to cut out the rice. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm so serious. I'm not playing. Watch me. I don't want to make no stew chicken or brown stew. I want to eat something different tonight. I don't have no sauce. Oh, I like me have sauce. No, me have sweet and sour sauce. Yes, and I'm going to use. But use sweet and sour sauce and put the sesame seed for me. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Something different. So, add some turmeric. Because I'm making yellow rice. I say, oh, come on, good. Come on, nice. So, I never put no bone on it because I want this tasty sauce. So, we're gonna see how it come out. So, chicken ready. I'm gonna add the sauce now. Look at the rice. It's ready too. That's how it came out. It's spicy. Tastes good. Yeah, so I got this from Walmart. Look at my eyebrows. Listen. There is every freaking thing. Our eyebrows is $8, but she did it good. So listen, I gotta start doing shit by myself. Eyebrow is $8. I'm going home though. I don't need nothing in Dollar Tree. Eyebrows is $8. Damn, bro. Remember, eyebrows is $5. Jesus. Child. No, sir. But my eyebrows, you want to for a long time. Because you know, let me see my eyebrows. I'm going to go do it. You want to for a long time. I want to see it too. But no, I'm going out this weekend. So yeah, what? Today is Wednesday. So I'm going. I have a day on Friday, but I'm not sure about that. But on Saturday, I'm going to Michelle's Friends Miss. She invited me to Friends Miss. So I gotta go get an ugly sweater, ugly Christmas sweater. She trying to put me in a Christmas mood. That's what she's trying to do, because she know I'm not in the mood. But I'm gonna go because she invited me. I have to do laundry Saturday, so I don't think I'm gonna go to the gym. I don't think so, because I'm gonna be tired. I go to gym, then wash my clothes, then I go to gym, then I go straight to Michelle. Even though Michelle don't live far from me, but like I could literally walk to her house. But still, so oh my god, this freaking dog! I hate dogs. Oh my god. What? It's my little figure open. You want me to like dog, you know? What? My come back, guys. My come back. Oh my gosh. Seems like okay, I got me yard. I don't like dogs. I hate them. A big dog like that, I don't like dogs. Yo. They say, thank God he passed me, you know? Look at freaking dog, you try to bite me. Eh? That freaking name move and start biting me. Now for me just get a while ago. I was on the new convenience store. So I think I was trying to do vlog it the other day, but the man didn't do it. I didn't want, you know, put him on camera. I didn't want him to be no, so I not record him, but I sure know. Oh look. No matter what, I was like, oh, they closed it. They reopened it again. Here it is. See there? A little graffiti. People, your phone just died on me just now. So this is my this is my regular phone I'm using. It's the 10. So this phone just died when I was recording with. Oh, see next door there. Oh, they're different. Yeah, there's a hookah everywhere. See that? Everywhere still hookah. I'm gonna change my wig. I'm tired with the wig here. So I'm gonna change my wig. I have 2 wigs that I didn't wear yet. I just only one for Thanksgiving, but I didn't change it. So I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change it Saturday. The only thing I miss about this damn job is that they bring me food and chicken sandwich. Oh, now I don't want no cookies now. No cookies. And I need to go to the bank. Ice. Off to work vibes. Actually, I'm gonna go pick up my packages. That's why I came out here. But it's a vibe because everybody out here chilling.
anything fit in there?
I think that one could go first.
Yeah.
All online exchange. We got a pizza store and pizza place in Macy's. It's nice. I think it's closed. I'll show y'all.